Welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to play Roblox without downloading it. So can you play Roblox without downloading it? Unfortunately, the answer for that is you cannot play Roblox without downloading the Roblox player or Roblox app. The game needs to be installed to run on. So example for PC or Mac, you must download the Roblox player after clicking any play on the game. Let's say for example, this one. So the math tower race, to play on that, you must download Roblox itself. So it is actually impossible to yes. So there are no browser only version exist anymore even on cloud gaming services. Roblox still runs through an installed app. So for the alternative for this is you can use Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is the beta if you're on a browser, but it still requires an Xbox account. That's it.